భజన followed by Anuradha sisters, Vanaja garu, Jayashree garu, Saraswati garu, Lakshmi Rajam garu, Meena Kumari garu, Padmavati and Indira garu, followed by Sarvottam garu, Sri Ramana garu, Sayastri garu, Sri Brahmachari garu, and many others. And it concluded with Mangala Harati to Swami. Jai Sai Ram. Thank you for all those who have attended this bhajan today for a successful event. Thank you so much.